How you doing, everybody? So I thought I would spend a little time working on the Porsche Experimental. Kendall had a great time driving this down at the vineyard. She put 30 miles on this thing, and you can see the axle is bent. So I'm giving it a wash job right now, and then I'm going to investigate what's going on with that axle. One thing I like about this cyclekart is that the front piece on top comes off, 6 screws and it's off, and then the rear cover same way, which fully exposes all the mechanicals. My buddy Brian Lum, this used to be his cyclekart, and he came up with this idea of the aluminum top. Real simple. It's a 1/2-inch plywood box is the tub. So this comes off, exposes everything. And this rear cover comes off. So now I can get in here and give it a good cleaning. I can get to everything in all of 5 minutes. Everything is exposed. I'm seriously just thinking about building a purpose-built cyclekart for the vineyard. Something like this. It's easy to get to the mechanicals. Real simple, stout, knobbies on all 4 tires. I'm still thinking about it. So I'm going to finish cleaning this, and then we'll work on that axle. Alright, so here's the old spindle, and you can see it's clearly bent. It also had this piece of tubing which is sized to fit the 5/8 kingpin. So I need to drive this down in there. This is the new Isuzu spindle, set up for a 5/8 axle and a 5/8 kingpin. So like I say, I gotta put this in there because it comes with these plastic and they're no good. Get that in there and then it's ready to reinstall. Hey, it's pretty dirty. So this cycle cart is the typical one-wheel drive. In this scenario, this is the drive wheel, the right rear, and this side is the freewheeler, and that gives it more or less a differential effect. It's reliable, it's cheap. I've had hours and hours of fun with one-wheel drive cycle carts. Right now I'm going to remove this, re-grease it, put it back together. It's been a while since it's been apart. pretty good. I'll clean that up, re-grease it, get her back together. Notice there's no key in the keyway, but there is on the other side. There's a recently completed Studebaker.